Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, XRP crashing to zero. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, right now, the entirety of this digital asset space is experiencing a significant correction. And for some of us, boy, I'll tell you what, we're looking at this as a big time opportunity. But for others, they're not looking at it as an opportunity to buy the dips, but an opportunity to get out there and literally throw as much FUD as they possibly can into this space. And of course, the name of the game is to divide and conquer. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, no other Bitcoin maxi is as famous for doing it as good old Max Keiser. Now, just take a look at this article right over here. And here you got XRP to crash to virtual zero against Bitcoin, predicts Max Keiser. Now, this guy has been a long-term, big-time Bitcoin maxi from a way back. And sometimes you have literally seen him lose his ever-loving mind. Well, listen to this article that was just published right here today. Max Keiser, a prominent Bitcoin advocate and critic of altcoins, has once again attacked XRP. In a recent X post, he captioned XRP Crash Update. Keiser calls XRP a centralized garbage that is mathematically guaranteed to trade at virtual zero against Bitcoin. And here's the actual tweet, Crash Update, and it's basically the same thing. And Keiser posted a screenshot of the XRP chart showing its price decline. Now, at the time of writing, XRP was down 5.68% in the last 24 hours to 49.8 cents. Well, Bitcoin had fallen 5.25% in the same time frame, trading around 38,750, mirroring the market's poor performance. Guys, the reason why that we're seeing this is because we're seeing global markets literally shake. Right now, China is having an absolute market crash where they're looking at infusing trillions upon trillions of dollars of stimulus to prop things back up. Well, that's having reverberating effects around the wide world and in every market, not just crypto, but of course, in the volatile markets is going to be more pronounced. Well, that's what we're seeing right now in this space. Well, of course, you got people like Keiser that want to come out there and get this, throw as much dirt XRP's way as possibly can. Now, the thing I would like to point out, Max Keiser is calling XRP centralized garbage. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, Bitcoin came about because of the last major market crash in 2008 and 2009, didn't it? In order to get away from this current system, well, boy, are they ever celebrating the Bitcoin exchange traded fund. And they literally gift wrapped it Bitcoin and gave it right to the very hands that they say Bitcoin was created to avoid. And if it was ever centralized before, it is certainly centralized now. Guys, Wall Street is controlling Bitcoin. So Keiser is literally off his rocker. Now, Bitcoin fell about 39,000 in Tuesday's market crash, wiping out virtually all of the previous 2 months' gains ahead of spot exchange traded fund approvals in the United States. XRP began to surge against Bitcoin on January 9th after hitting a bottom that marked multi-year lows in its pairing. This trend sustained for a while until XRP began mirroring the Bitcoin price trend, subsequently entering into a range trading in its Bitcoin pairing. Keiser has oftentimes expressed his scorn for XRP and Ripple in the wake of its legal battle with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, predicting that Ripple was going to lose the lawsuit and that XRP was a security. Well, of course, that was absolute nonsense. However, Kaiser's predictions have not always been correct, as Ripple won a significant victory in the SEC litigation after the judge ruled that XRP was not a security. The SEC also dropped its accusations against Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson. And in fact, XRP, as a result, is the only digital asset in the entirety of this digital asset space in the United States with legal clarity, including Bitcoin. XRP has also demonstrated resilience, maintaining its position among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, despite legal woes and market uncertainty. And now that is a majorly big point. Do you realize that XRP has never, I mean never, not once, ever left the top 10 for market cap? And that includes during the entire time that the SEC was suing Ripple and doing whatever they could to cripple the potential price appreciation of XRP in that last bull run. Guys, you are looking at a major dog and pony show. XRP has demonstrated its strength in these markets and has been here for a long time. And think of this, 84 million ledgers closed and not one mistake since 2013 when it came on the scene. That is absolutely phenomenal. Now, XRP is now the sixth largest cryptocurrency, by market capitalization, valued at over more than 27 billion. Well, guys, just take a look at this article right over here. Top analysts predict XRP's wild ride from 50 cents to $20. XRP is becoming the focal point of speculative discussions among analysts predicting a significant price movement. Crypto analyst JD has raised eyebrows with a bold forecast suggesting that XRP could soar to $20 in the next bull market. JD emphasizes the importance of a structural break on the charts and considers market cap as a key marker for this ambitious prediction. On the flip side, analysts foresee a short-term downtrend for XRP's price. eGrag Crypto points to a potentially bullish monthly time frame, but warns of a brewing pump that may spook weak hands, indicating a possible dip before an upward surge. Now, we have been talking about that, where there could be some sort of a black swan that literally causes these markets to literally nosedive, and from there, absolutely fire off. Now, that's how Judy and I got into this space right at that very moment during the whole thing that was going on here. And the markets literally tanked. Now, we didn't even realize we were buying on the bottom, but I'll tell you what, that move literally propelled and changed our lives, because where we bought it to where it went, absolutely phenomenal. Now, listening to this, adding to the chorus of bear sentiments, analyst Ali Martinez predicts a drop to 34 cents if XRP fails to hold above the 55-cent support level. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, XRP drops to 34 cents. Boy, will Judy and I be buying and buying like crazy. That is just our opinion and what we're going to do. Because, guys, I'm looking forward. I'm believing in the fundamentals. This day-to-day price action, we know these markets are totally manipulated. Do you think that's going to bother us? Not in the least, because we've already been there. We have seen it happen. And I'm 100% convinced that, hey, history doesn't repeat, right? But it absolutely rhymes. Now, XRP Shark echoes similar sentiments, identifying a potential bottom between 35 and 45 cents before anticipating a violent move to the upside. These analysts collectively suggest that a short-term dip may be necessary to shake out weak hands before XRP experiences new highs. Despite these short-term bearish outlooks, there is optimism in the air. Analyst Crypto Rover foresees a massive breakout for XRP in March, aligning with the notion that turbulent times may pave the way for significant upward movements. Now, guys, take a look at this right here. And this is where we're getting that kind of XRP shows signs of rebound as Gemini announces perpetual contracts. So this is the big tweeter, verse mystery that Gemini was involved in. In a challenge challenging month for XRP that saw it dropping around the 50-cent mark, the cryptocurrency now shows signs of a potential rebound. Ali Martinez, a crypto analyst, has highlighted factors suggesting a short-term recovery for XRP. Drawing on the TD sequential indicator, Martinez analyst points towards a positive shift in XRP's trajectory. This optimism is further bolstered by on-chain metrics that reveal positive trends. Large wallet addresses holding between 10 and 100 million XRP are buying it, and they are buying it, guys, like crazy, indicating growing confidence among investors. Now, let you just ask yourself right there, do you really believe that these whales are out there and they're accumulating XRP into the millions of tokens? Are worried the way in which a lot of retail is, where they're putting in a few hundred, maybe a few $1,000s? Not on your life. Guys, these guys know what's coming down the road. And another thing, a lot of people ask, well, if whales are buying, then why aren't we seeing it reflected in the price? Over-the-counter trading, guys. Just go look that up on Investopedia and find out what it is, because that will answer a lot of your questions when it comes to that. But the fact that the whales are willing to risk millions of dollars when we're watching these prices fall tells you volumes. Guys, it is not millionaires are made way down here, not way up here. It's people that are willing to take the risk when it's absolutely at its lowest. An opportunity never feels like opportunity, that see the potential for where it goes up. I mean, even Warren Buffett has that famous quote where he says, listen, I get greedy when other people get fearful, and I get fearful when other people get greedy. But guys, most of the market doesn't do that. Most of retail, what they do, they buy into strength and they sell into fear. And that's how they allow these guys to play them like fiddles. Well, I'll tell you what, Judy and I, we absolutely are 100% convinced. And the accumulation goals that we have, I'll tell you, I would welcome some relief when it comes to the price, so that we don't have to do as much to get to where we want to go. Because guys, I believe one day we are absolutely going to see this market will take off. And when it does, in my estimation, it is going to blow the doors off of most people, leaving a majority of them with their mouths hanging open, absolutely gobsmacked. So guys, at the speed at which things change in this space, you are going to thank yourself that you took the time to get your plan in place. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally, one-on-one, for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigital.outlook.com, and we'll get you all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.